The Mistakes People Make, episode 41. Can I? Could I? How much more polite is could than can? And can it be proven with science? Welcome to Yesiket Lesson 2. When making requests, we often use either can or could. Can I have a cocktail? Asks this delightful young man. Billy is measuring the politeness of the young man's question. He is using science. Can I have a cocktail is found to be 40% polite. The young man tries again. Could I have a cocktail? He asks. Billy analyzes this new level of politeness. Science is his friend. 80% politeness, extraordinary levels of politeness, but it's still not enough. Robbie is adding the final ingredient, a little dash of please. Could I have a cocktail, please? Asks the young man, his throat dry and itchy. Yes, you can.
"100% polite."
Nigel witnessing a small miracle. Breathtaking. Yes and you. Inspiring learning.